actually bigger than I thought. This is mad. What a kitchen space. Very interesting. Whoa. Oh, this is nice. If you were wanting a budget place, you'd be mad not to take something like this. Here's the road, the access to the property. And that's the wall there. It's right here. Lovely big wall. Needs a bit of upkeep. The owner said, obviously, they will take care of the garden, cut the grass back. Yeah, right, to my help. Lian Ma. You can cut. Got a outdoor sort of storage, or if you like loads of little dogs, you can raise your dogs in there. But they did say you can have dogs in the garden behind the wall, not let them on the road. We don't really want dogs running around the road. All right, let's just keep going. Live. Die hon någon skötsam? Sån. Plenty of space for car park. Park 2 cars in there. Bikes as well. Needs a lick of paint. So this little entrance balcony. Oh, look at the fish pond. Get your koi carp in there. Okay. Nice little shaded area at the front of the house. Okay, and then there's that storage place. That's where the bad boys stay, isn't it? When you've been a bad man. They call it the doghouse. There you go. And the door's open. Cocomac na cup. Bye, dude.
Bye.
It's Cocomac cup.
ใส่ขึ้นก็ได้ไม่ได้
Okay, just say that.
ได้ยังไม่ฟังก่อน
Okay. I'm going to put my shoes back on. I'm inside there. Okay. All right. It's actually a nice, big, airy living room with the windows open. It would look much brighter. This is probably going to look a little bit dark, but when the windows are open, I just walked into some cobwebs there. Right. Not a bad space at all, actually. Bigger than I thought. So maybe the bedrooms are quite small. If I haven't said already, 2,500 baht. And a little hallway. It's a little... Oh, me can't get the hat. Oh, bye, name hat. Ah, okay. All right. Okay, bedroom. This, okay, maybe. Well, that, yeah. Some places have like a Buddha room or a Buddha area. Maybe that's what that was. Aircon. Obviously needs a wash up and a paint and stuff like that, but for the price, you'd be mad. If you were wanting a budget place, you'd be mad not to take something like this. 2,500, maybe spend 2,000 baht on paint and rollers and stuff, and a few nights in with some beers and whiskey. And that would be a good, productive time. Oh, come on, switch off the light. Sorry. Now, before we go into what looks like the kitchen there, we will go to bedroom number 2. And it's a decent size as well. That's pretty good. Oh, get a light on for it, sorry. Aye, a good size. a good size. Everything needs cleaning, cobwebs, spiders and stuff. Only small ones. Oh. I find a tarantula one day. Well, a dead one I've seen before. Anyway, bedroom number 2. Another big size surprise thing. Kitchen goes downstairs. Oh, this is nice. You know what this reminds me of? The jungle. That reminds me of the jungle. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I like it. This is mad. What a kitchen space. What a kitchen space. This that comes out. Did we shed? Way! Smoker, barbecue. Exciting stuff, guys. $2,500. There's a couple of bicycles in there too. Yeah. But look at the room. All the room for all the activities. And this, I've no idea. It says there's no lighting. Don't know what the hell that is. That's the exit to the carports, and here's the shower bathroom. Yeah. Let's do this at home. Can't see anymore. That's it. We'll do that. Right. And here we are in the, holy moly, it's covered in cobwebs. That's what we're looking at. Okay. Here we are. In the lobby. What's that spider right there? Woo! Okay, enough. What a lovely day. Oh, the skylight. Okay, interesting surprise, and I'm sorry for not switching on the light in the kitchen here and for spinning you around. I'm the worst YouTuber in the world. But there we go. Interesting stuff. We have an actual garden, extensive to a degree, and it's all enclosed. There's a wall all the way around it, and like some sort of storage shed, which is always convenient when you've got lots of crap like me. And a nice big gate. This is very interesting. Just now, she just said that you can do a 3-month rent on this property. Yeah, you're gonna, if you want to stay like this, you probably want to clean it, but yeah, 3 months are available. Got some nice tropical plants here. Come on. Nice big, like jungle style. Jungle style. Very nice. Ton mai, Elena? Lamyai. So this is longan trees. Get lots of fruit from these. And the carport with the kitchen at the back. Very good. Very good. 1 aircon bedroom, 1 without. It's a very quiet area, and yeah, a nice secure perimeter around the house. Nobody comes in, and it's nice and quiet. So there you go. 2,500 baht a month, 60 UK pounds, 75 US dollars. So if you've got this far in the video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps the algorithm and help push your channel. And if you are watching all the way to the end of this video, thank you. I appreciate you so much. And you are the people that keeping this channel rocking and rolling. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.